Hi friends, welcome to Renu's kitchen. Today I'm going to make Laccha Paratha. It's my friend's request to make Laccha Paratha, so here you go. These are the ingredients to make Laccha Paratha. We need little bit of garlic, so today I'm going to make garlic Laccha Paratha. So we need garlic, little bit of cumin seeds, coriander leaves, chili powder, salt. You can use either ghee or an oil. Today I'm going to prepare using both. I'll use oil as a base and on the paratha I'll put some ghee.
This is chapati dough. It is soft and fluffy. Watch my other video on how to make soft and fluffy dough.
Everything is set now. So let's start Laccha Paratha.
Let's start. Take a ball of dough and start kneading it into a circle. It should not be thick in the corners. Base is now ready. Add a little bit of salt. Add more chili powder if you want to make the paratha spicy. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the base. Spread it well uniformly. Add cumin seeds. Fold the base like this to create layers. You can see the layers as you roll. Let's roll it over into a circular shape. Press a little bit on the top. Add some garlic and press it into the dough. Add some coriander leaves on top. Add wheat flour and start kneading to form a circular shape. Make sure edges of paratha are not thick. Add oil to the heated pan. Pan fry the paratha. While it cooks, let's take a quick look at the process once again. Make sure the paratha will not overcook and burn. Add ghee on top of paratha for taste. You can add oil as well. Cook evenly on both sides. Laccha paratha is ready. You can see the layers. Finally, parathas are ready to eat.
Now the Laccha Paratha is ready. I'm going to serve this with dal. This dal I'm going to make another video. This is a bindi dal. So watch out for the video. I'm going to taste the paratha. You can see the layers. It's come so yummy. You can see the layers here that's formed under each. Let's taste it, friends, with little bit of dal. Yum! It's really tasty. You need to try. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe.